Step into RTH Homeopathic Clinic located at Rongnihang, Tri Junction, in front of Bull and Pay Printers Enterprises in Diphu. Avail your opportunity to meet the expert homeopathic doctor from Dr. Rangsina Tokbi, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, for solutions to your health concerns. They specialize in treating various conditions including dermatology, respiratory issues, orthopedics, neurology, gastrology, gynecology, nephrology, pediatric care or child diseases, and more.
Cardo, Niliman Dr. Rangsina Tokbi, homeopathic consultant. Ada kecelang pon la our side long ponke ko samar phantalo arleng telo kan ladak kiso kelang ponji bisikoi ke la riki kiso akeng kiso ang pen la singjam la hai singjam apugiso ang pen la swarlo tum pregnancy ko sitame kichoi po ogregno la hai ko otherwise ta long pon po.
Online consultations are available along with worldwide medicine delivery, blood sample collection and testing. Doctor's availability is on Monday through Saturday during the following hours, 8 a.m. to 12 noon and 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. For more information, please contact at 9577362711.
Aprang ke homeopathic kote England opayat pon bong sita non nilitang research pon akin nang kalake ko anma ke papra bang pen son positive result silong pom long pana ne 10 bosor 15 bosor ke so tum sita me chekloi jon ba jon kanata ke so kanangan ang theke kemisi long pon eglon se nang litom kalbera tum do ata me non la so na ke so do boten la dang patibo i thang pen so ke chelang kon dia war sai sita me long pon ekon